My experience here has been very interesting. One thing that was very nice to see is how different the lecture system is. It's not particularly a sit down and let the teacher talk, but it's very interactive. You get to share your thoughts and experiences with the lecturer, both academic and non-academic. A lot of observation is highly valued in class. So I think that's very, very fun and very interesting. Of course, the transport system here is amazing. The buses and connecting with the trams, it's been a fun challenge. And getting to experience new cuisine. The Hungarian cuisine is very different from the Kenyan cuisine. So that adventure has been very exciting.
One of the institutions that we've been able to visit is the Constitutional Court of Hungary, which is an apex court here in Hungary that deals with specifically constitutional law matters, or what they call fundamental law. This is certainly an idea I think that Kenya would benefit a lot from. So, of course, we do have the High Court in Kenya that has its constitutional division, but there's no apex court that deals solely with constitutional matters. Of course, we do have the Supreme Court that deals with constitutional matters and other matters, but to have a specialized court, sort of a different branch of our judicial arena, would be amazing to have, so that we can answer some of the more philosophical questions that arise with constitutional interpretation. To be able to learn outside of the classroom is certainly an experience that not many people get to benefit from, and to have been able to do that is certainly a privilege that I don't take lightly, and I know that all of my classmates won't take lightly. So certainly the first thing to do would be to appreciate the SLS management and to encourage them to keep doing things like this, because more than ever with such trips, the hashtag Go Places with SU certainly gains newer meaning, because we're not only transcending classroom learning, but we are transcending educational learning, which I think is a nuanced difference, with the latter being an intricate part of development.
I'd like to thank the SLS management for this beautiful addition into the curriculum. The international exchanges is something that other schools don't get to experience, so we're very grateful for that. Seeing how the constitutional systems, or the legal systems in general, how they work abroad is a great addition to the team.